So this is week 3 of our project, and we have come really far now and made lots of new changes. So this is what our project looks right now. So we have implemented this background. Please ignore these lines, they are just here for references. So this background has been implemented, and we have implemented this boss. For now we have shut down the other enemies, so because we are trying to analyze how the boss moves, and this was the main thing done in this week. Also, the boss has his own special weapon, which is energy balls, that is shooting occasionally. I haven't implemented the collision for the boss, so like if I go up to it, so it doesn't collide, and the boss's weapon and my weapon does not collide with the boss either. Also, the health bar that I was showing previously, my friend Muzammil has implemented this. So if I start the game again and enable the other enemies, you'll see that they now work. So if I do this and this, so currently I have to fix the boss because it's just a new version, but as you can see, and we have implemented sound, so and I'm getting damage and my score is also increasing. There are still a lot of things to do, like how much damage should be delivered by each weapon and how much score I should get for destroying a certain enemy. But right now we have basically implemented a scoring system and a health system. So let's see how we did. And of course we have implemented this menu done by my friend Ali Haider. Okay, so let's go back and take a look at how the boss works. So here we have the boss class, and overall the whole thing is same. Like all enemies, we are assigning sprite clips and rendering them. The interesting thing is with those movement of the boss, here we are looking at which side of the screen the boss is. If it hits the left side, then it starts moving toward the right. If it hits the right side, it starts moving toward the left, so that it always stays within the screen. And that's the only main difference between the boss and the other enemies. And also we have the boss weapon class, again the same thing, just different sprite clips, and that's the whole thing that's been done this week. So we now have a background, we have weapons working, we have got a scoring system working. My friends will be explaining in more detail in their own parts.
So unlike last time, now we have, like last time we had green boxes that were flying around in our program which were not doing actually anything, but this time we have a heart that is coming to us, and we have these rotating missiles. So what does these things do? Whenever our plane collides with them, we get 5 points health and 5 missiles that are going to be stored here, that are defined basically here in the unit class. We have here health, we have missile variable, we have the functions to set the health and the set missile and get health, and resulting, if we see, whenever we get a missile or a health, our variable is increased. Like, see, we can see it in the console, 20 health variable and 15 was missile. That's how this is working. Thank you.